and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by, and now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life, but you just beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, 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 oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. You do it before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, 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 oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do it before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all.
My name's Larry. I'm Anthony's stepson. We're going up this hill.
No. I've been trying to find a way to get out of the rain.
Do I need to take this off right here?
Yeah. You got a knife on you? Damn, boy!
Alright.
Same way we did last time.
Let's go. Oh yeah, that warmed me up. Warmed my belly up. Oh yeah.
So wet. Oh no, this is bumpy. Alright. I think this would be a good tent pad for you.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
No, that is the right. I mean, I think.
People come up here to chop some wood.
Yeah, we go up here. That's the road we go.
Is it? Oh yeah, it is.
So we're in Cloudcroft. We're up in Bailey's Canyon. We found some dispersed camping areas. Getting in was a little rough because it was pouring down rain. It was muddy. we were sliding in the mud. So we found a campsite and we got mostly set up while in the rain. And so everything's soaked, we're freezing. It's about, feels like 40, it's about 40 degrees outside.
Fuck yeah, maybe like 50.
45 to 50 degrees, yeah. That's only cold because we're wet, but.
There's also a little breeze going, I can feel it.
And we tried to climb up the hill. There's the view of our campsite down there. We got a fire going. We need to warm up by it. We're gonna make some breakfast, some spam and egg burritos.
Shit, I didn't even know that. Sounds good.
Yeah, it's good. Let's put them on.
Oh! Cameraman almost went down. Cameraman never dies though.
Don't cut that off the video.
Just remember, sacrifice your body. Hold the camera up.
Cameraman never dies.
Everything breaks except for this GoPro.
Yeah. We have good reliable. I still have my on clouds. Larry with the Eddie Bauer hiking edition.
And Eddie Bauer hiking
I
edition.
think yours are Eddie Bauer too, are they?
Yeah, those Eddie Bauers.
So, reliable footwear.
Eddie Bauer.
Non-sponsored, reliable footwear, on clouds, and Eddie Bauer.
But Eddie Bauers, if you ever want to sponsor us, we are available. Just hit up his email. It will be in the description of the YouTube channel. And look at the campsite.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She say that I'm cool. I'm like, yeah, that's true. I believe in G-O-D, don't believe it. She keep playing me dumb, I'm a player for fun. Y'all don't really know my mental, let me give you the picture like stencil. Falling out in a drought, no flow, rain wasn't pouring down. See, that pain was all around, see, my mode was kinda lounge. Didn't know which way to turn, flow was cool, but I still felt burned. Energy up, you can feel my surge, I'm everything like this purge. Let's just get this straight for a second. I'ma work, even if I don't get paid for progression. I'ma get it. Everything that I do is electric. I'ma keep it in motion, keep it moving like kinetic. Put it in a frame, better know I don't blame everything that I say. Man, I seen you deflate. Let me elevate. This ain't a prank. Have you walking on a plane? Both hands together, God, let me pray. I been going right around, call that relay. Pass the baton, back in the mall, swimming in the pool, can't drink them all. When a piece of this, a piece of mine, my piece of sign. Can you please read between the lines? My rhymes inclined to break yo. They say that I'm so fine, you could never match my grind. Please do not waste my time. What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean.
We're going hiking. I'm cameraman again. I got Bree, Cruz, and Gabby behind me. Say what's up to the camera. And I got Mom and Anthony in front of me.
Better than camping at a campground, you have to make a reservation for, check out at a certain time,
Check out the wall.
pay money.
There's the channel. Anthony Gibson. In front.
Somebody else down here at the campfire.
Look at the long.
Let's go up.
I'm as calm as we all fall down. Yeah, but for the fall, my heart, do you dare to look me right in the eye?
Stops.
Down to the door. Yeah, someday we
Well, that's some.
down to
Well, that's a handy amount of firewood right there. Well, we're only halfway there, guys.
My opinion now has changed on this hike. I'm suffering.
Okay, we're nearly there. Our goal right now is we're just going to keep climbing until we can't get higher than our current elevation. So when we reach the summit, then we can go back down. I'm not sure if people hike up this way or not. It's not a hiking trail. We're just walking through the woods off trail. So this tree uprooted and it was so embedded in rocks that it is just a rock root structure. Man, look at that. So we found a structure here, a little home. All right, we're on the journey down. After reaching the summit, we feel proud of ourselves. Harboring one injured, back to the campsite. Okay. There's the crew, rest of the crew, stragglers. Okay, turns out we've got 2 injuries now. Brianna injured her ankle. She rolled it coming down the hill. Rachel's having knee issues, potentially twisted it versus old age. The rest of them left on without us. I stayed back to tend to the injured. All right, this is currently, what is this? Peach cobbler.
Oh, I thought that was bread.
That's peach cobbler in the making.
They made the bread.
It's boiling over because it's filled up too high to the top.
We're back. It's been a while. Mom has made some peach cobbler, which didn't record.
I was really busy cooking and baking.
Rachel's been slaving over cooking this evening, and she made this awesome, well, she's calling it like a peach bread pudding.
I surprised everyone because it was so delicious.
It is so delicious. That's crazy.
Okay. I'm about to have a good day. No matter what they say. Sun is shining down on me. Birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day. In every single way. The God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's a good day. Baby in my arms, walking through the neighborhood. Living in the present, not what I shoulda or could. I remember back when I was low as a rug. Now I'm standing up, look at what my father does. Turning all things new, gray skies blue. Hear the church saying, won't he do it? I know he's got my back. That's why I'm singing that. I'm about to have a good day. No matter what they say. Sun is shining down on me. Birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day. In every single way. The God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's a good day. It's a good day.
know it's great. Everything I prayed for didn't come in late. I got all I need and I didn't have to wait. Ask me if you love me, you didn't hesitate. Turning all things to gray skies blue. Yeah, the church saying, won't he do it? I know he's got my back. That's why I'm singing that I'm about to have a good day, no matter what they say. Sun is shining down on me, birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day in every single way. God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's a good day.
Alright, well we just finished camping. We went camping with the kids out in Cloudcroft and Bailey's Canyon. Found some dispersed camping areas. And now we're leaving and we're heading back into Cloudcroft. We want to go ahead and get some food to eat today. So it was really muddy getting into the site at all, but now coming out it's been dry. We had 50% chance of rain today, but it didn't rain, so it's a good drive back in. And we're gonna go see what we can find in Cloudcroft to eat. We already got everything all packed up. It was a fantastic trip. This is a beautiful place, and if you ever get a chance to come to Cloudcroft, check out Bailey's Canyon. There's also a lot of areas along Sunspot Highway to camp. Bluff Springs, I believe, is another place where they have a little small waterfall. But any of these places around here are beautiful. And hope you enjoyed this. Hope you enjoyed the trip, and hope you enjoyed the vacation. Catch you next time.